Hello, in this video I want to show you how to claim the Crew Motorfest for the free trial. And to do this we'll need to download and install Ubisoft Connect. Also you need to have an account, so either create one or log into an already existing one. And when you have it, then simply go to the news store. It's basically everywhere here. You can click on the Crew Motorfest, play 5 hours for free until September 17. Select free option and click on play now. So it's already added to our account and we can continue with product activation. Click on OK everywhere. Now we can install the game, so you can choose the language in which the game should be installed. Click on continue. You can agree to some desktop shortcuts, start menu shortcuts. Also you can change the folder location where the game should be installed. So actually I'm gonna change that. Continue, accept and continue, yes. And now the game should download. It waits around 35 gigabytes and that is basically it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.